2014 Dodge Challenger RT 100th anniversary car here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Now, the 100th anniversary is for Dodge itself, as you can see by the emblem right there, founded in 1914. So don't light me up down in the comments that they haven't made Challengers for 100 years. It's for the Dodge 100-year anniversary. All right, now we got that out of the way. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Actual mile car, 54,794. 5.7 liter, it's got a Hemi V8 underneath the hood. Automatic, with overdrive transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. Let's take a good look at the front of this car. You can see chin spoiler. RT badging on the grille, of course. Now it does have the protective clear coating, like 3M style coating on the front of it. You can just barely see a line in there if I get lined up with it just right. So the front does have that clear coating on it. Few imperfections in it, as you can see right on the top there. A little bit kind of peeling back. Don't get me wrong though, car looks incredible. This paint, Phantom Black Pearl, beautiful. Something you don't see every day. Black interior, check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. It's riding on the correct 100th anniversary wheels, as you can see by the center cap. Disc brakes up front. Speaking of brakes, technician noted 50% in the front, 60% in the rear. This car checked out very well in our service department. Not much at all to note. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see it's free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. It does have tinted glass, so know your local and state laws as far as the percentage of window tint that you can have. This one does have the power moonroof. Satellite radio from the antenna right there. Rear glass also tinted, electric rear defog. Spoiler, dual exhaust, rear parking assist, catalytic converters intact, full exhaust. Again, check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you like Mopars, no matter what era, like Challengers, no matter what era, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And you can do that either online or right off our showroom floor. Let's take a look down this driver's side. You can see really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Fun car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Let's take it out and drive it. Nice and reliable. AC blows cold. All your power features you get in your modern cars, and some horsepower besides. Let's check out this interior. Stick around to the very end too. Jason's going to take this car for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. We'll start it up, let you see the engine bay, take a listen. Door panels, armrest, great shape, of course. Power windows, power mirrors, power locks, power seat over here in the driver's side. And these seats show very little wear. Some commemorative badging, the backrests. Of course, steering wheel controls. Driver's information center in these. Now, as you see that dash right there, that's the phase of the camera. That's not blinking. In person, if you're sitting in your car getting ready to drive it, that is not going to be blinking. Let's fire it up. All right. 54,794. It's exact miles. Sorry about a little blurry there. All right. No warning indicators, check engine lights, anything like that on. Gauges are working. Good sounding car. Let's check out this radio a second. So, radio here. And like I said, you'd have satellite radio capabilities. And that's what I'm on right now. Let's get to FM.
There we go. And it's the Red Hot Chili Peppers.
Of course, automatic climate control. Heated seats. Looks like a sport suspension setup. A lot of goodies. Fun car. Dash looks good. How about check out the sunroof? Working as it should. And I can vouch for the AC blowing cold little freeze out of here. Holy smokes. Let's take a listen. Sounds good at idle. Nice deep throaty exhaust note. And of course, get after it on the throttle. It really picks up. Nice tone to that exhaust. All right. Let me pause this a second. We'll get this hood open quick. Check out that engine bay. Wrap up this walk around. Let Jason take it out on the road. Underside of the hood. Nice and clean and tidy. I'm telling you, this is a nice car only, or a nice weather car only. There it is. It's a Hemi. 5.7 liter. Here the AC compressor kick on and off. That's working. Power steering, power brakes, AC. Nice clean tidy engine bay. And something I didn't really notice too much until I looked closer when I got ready to open that hood. This is a nice looking wheel. It's a polished and painted wheel. That's good looking on this car, especially with how deep this kind of metallic is. There you can get a good look at it. That Phantom Black Pearl. Clean Carfax, actual miles, no accidents indicated. 2014 Dodge Challenger RT, 100th anniversary of Dodge, not Challenger. Call us, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And yes, this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Here we have a 2014 Dodge Challenger. Black on black. Looking good. A nice rumble to this car. This is an automatic on the center console. Easy to shift. Put her in drive and put your foot down and go fast. Lovely exhaust note. The fuel gauge is a little over half of a tank. Temperature a little under half. We're doing 60 miles an hour at 2,800 RPM. I'm sorry, 1,800 RPM. Much better. Cruising along.
Rodney Atkins live at the
stereo sounds great. We've got touch controls on the steering wheel. All the modern amenities. AC's blowing cold in this car. Moonroof over my head. Nice quiet ride. And beautiful black paint. This was buffed to perfection, I must say. If you've seen it on the picture pad, it looks even better outside. Brakes work very well. Corner's very flat. They did a great job making these daily commuter cars, performance cars. They're everything. Whatever you want it to be. Take a look at all the pictures of this 2014 Challenger at uniqueclassiccars.com.